Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and welcome to this week's Medical Minute. There was a study that came out called the EVAPORATE trial. I love these names, EVAPORATE trial. This was a study that looked at patients who had coronary artery disease or cholesterol buildup in the coronary arteries that was diagnosed with a CAT scan. And what they did was they took these patients who had an average triglyceride level of 259 and they put them on fish oil. This is prescription fish oil. It's called Vasepa. They put them on 4 grams daily, and they followed these patients with CAT scans. And at 18 months, they found that the patients who were on the fish oil had a reduction in cholesterol levels in their arteries by about 17%. The group that was not on the fish oil actually progressed, and they increased by 109% in terms of the cholesterol, the plaque. So this is really interesting. I'm gonna dig up the full study to read it and get more details. But this goes to a question that I'm asked about all the time. Is heart disease, is coronary artery disease reversible? And it is reversible. In some patients, we can reverse heart disease, coronary artery disease. Not in all patients, but in some. And many times it requires medicines, and it requires good lifestyle, and it requires driving cholesterol numbers quite low. Okay, everyone. So until next time, this is Dr. Dave.